Children, now you understood what are the functions of food, what is meant by food varieties, and what is meant by the food ingredients. Now our next topic is sources of food. Sources means from where we are getting food. We are getting food from plants as well as from animals. Food is obtained by living things from both plants and animals. First, see plant as a source of food. You know that green plants can prepare their food. For this reason, they are known as producers. Producers means green plants, they can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. And other non-green plants and animals, they depends on the plants for food. So green plants, they are called as producers because they can prepare their own food in presence of carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. Different plant parts from which food is obtained are the root, stem, leaves, flowers, seeds, and fruits. Do you know which part of the plant are you eating when you eat potato, cabbage, onion, radish, carrot, or mango? The plant parts which are eaten are called edible parts. For example, the edible part of mango is the fruit, onion and potato, it is the stem, while radish and carrot, it is the root. The leaf is the edible part in cabbage. Children see food from stems. These are the stems: potatoes, onion, ginger, garlic. We are eating these are the stems. Generally, we have seen roots means these are present inside the soil. But these potatoes, onion, ginger, garlic, these are the stems. Food from roots: carrot, radish, sweet potato, turnip. These are the roots. Leaves: spinach, cabbage, mustard. These are the leaves we are eating. Then food from flowers: rose, cauliflower, broccoli. Rose petals are used to make essence and gulkand. Food from seeds: green gram, kidney beans, rajma, corn and wheat. Food from fruit: banana, apple, mango, grapes, orange, pineapple. Have you ever seen your mother buying sprouted seeds from the market or preparing them at home? How does she prepare them at home? Perform this activity? For that, take some dry seeds of gram or chana or the green gram moong. Soak the seed in water for a day in a container. Next day, drain the water completely and leave the seed in the container for another day. What do you find now? You will find small white structure coming out from the seeds. The seeds have germinated or sprouted. A small white structure may have grown out of the seed. If so, the seed have sprouted.